If you've ever needed to start a new page in Microsoft Word without endlessly pressing Enter, this quick tutorial is going to make your life a lot easier. Today, I'll show you exactly how to insert a page break in Microsoft Word the right way, so your document stays clean, organized, and professional. This is especially useful for reports, essays, letters, manuals, and any document where you want precise control over page layout. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Make sure the file you want to edit is already loaded, because you'll need to place the break in the exact spot you want the next page to begin. Once your document is open, look through the text and decide where you want a new page to start. This could be before a new section, before a heading, or anywhere you want to separate content cleanly. Next, click to place your cursor exactly where you want the page break to go. This step is important because Word will insert the break right where your cursor is blinking. If the cursor is in the wrong place, the new page will appear in the wrong section too. After that, simply press Ctrl+ Enter on your keyboard. That is the fastest and easiest way to insert a page break in Microsoft Word. As soon as you do that, Word will move everything after the cursor to the next page automatically. You do not need to press Enter multiple times, and you do not need to worry about spacing changing later if you edit the text above it. That is one of the biggest advantages of using a page break instead of just hitting Enter over and over. A page break keeps your formatting much more reliable, especially when you go back and make edits. If you want to check that it worked, scroll down and you should see that the following content begins on a fresh page. If the document is long, this can make a big difference in how easy it is to read and organize. And if you ever need to remove the page break later, you can click just before it and press backspace, or show formatting marks to locate it more easily. So to quickly review the process, open your document, place your cursor where you want the new page, and press Ctrl+ Enter. That is all it takes to insert a page break in Microsoft Word. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save you a lot of time and help your documents look much more polished. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.